Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python for loop with dictionary, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. The for loop in Python is a powerful construct that allows you to iterate over a sequence of elements. When working with dictionaries, a special type of for loop, known as the for loop with a dictionary, can be used to iterate over its keys, values, or key-value pairs. In this tutorial, we will explore the syntax, usage, and provide code examples to help you master the Python for loop with dictionaries. The basic syntax of a for loop with a dictionary is as follows. Here, key represents the variable that will take on each key in the dictionary during each iteration. To iterate over the keys of a dictionary, you can use the following code. Output. To iterate over the values of a dictionary, you can use the values method. Output. You can iterate over key-value pairs using the items method. Output. You can use the if statement within the loop to filter items based on a condition. Output. If your dictionary contains nested dictionaries, you can use nested for loops. Output. This tutorial covered the basics of the Python for loop with dictionaries, including iterating over keys, values, and key-value pairs, as well as conditional filtering and handling nested dictionaries. By mastering these concepts, you can efficiently work with dictionaries in Python and leverage the flexibility of the for loop to iterate over various data structures. ChatGPT.